Okay, at this series we're gonna talk about do and while, and let's see how these things work using Dart programming language. First, just create some function main and then create a variable n with the value 10. After that, type do with the following print the n variable. After that, just create some minus minus and then while n higher than equal 0. Let me give a quick explanation about this. From the first, we have some n variables with 10 value, and the on this do block is what we program will do. With the following operator is n minus minus. That means we will minus the n value on that variable as one by one until the value on while condition is passed. That we can see the while condition is n variable higher than 0. And when you run the program, you will have the result. The 10 value is removing one by one until the n value is higher than equal 0. If we change the n value to 0 and we do increment or plus plus operators, also at the value condition it lower than 10, and that will be print like this.